Hi friends, and welcome to Bonita Hills Mobile Home Park. Today we have 275 Worthington Avenue, number 107. It's in Spring Valley. It's in a 55 plus community. 55-45, so one person does have to be 55. Everyone else has to be over 45 to live here, to purchase a home in this park. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's very spacious. It's 1,584 square feet. Again, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it was built in 1976. We want to give you a quick tour, just to show you the inside of the house. So let's go inside. This is a carport area. I would say it fits 2 to 3 vehicles, if not more. The front of the home. We're making our way into the porch. Great views. This is the entryway. And you guys will see the living room. Making our way into the hall to the kitchen. This is the dining area. This area here is the family room, second living room. And this is the covered porch. Making our way into the washroom. Also the second entrance, so the entrance from the carport. It's the hall bath. The first bedroom. Master bedroom. Built-in closets. And now the master bathroom. So a quick recap of the home. It's 275 Worthington Avenue, space 107. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,584 square feet. It's located inside the Bonita Hills Mobile Home Park. It is a senior community, so it's 55 and up. And it's selling at $199,900. And the space rent for this community is $1,695. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching.